Alright, as a wrap, I ain't catch nothing because this stuff is so thick. All this vegetation, I can't sink nothing. I can do a topwater frog, but I ain't got the right frog, y'all. Look at that cut. It's just sitting at the top. Look how thick all this is. Algae, all that. All right, I'm about to show y'all how I got here to this little secret spot right here off of this Rock Island Trail. All right, so y'all feel me? Y'all feel me so far? Bam. Little spot, little spot. Hey. All right, and then we keep going. And my bike is still here. Yeah. All right, y'all, we out. Actually, make sure I got both my poles. Yep. And yep. Came through this little entrance, this little spot right here. Went through there. Just make sure I don't see no dead bodies. And then we here, player.